Hi, Katie. I just want to take a minute to rave about Glisten Academy. I've had it for 3 weeks. I'm still not through everything, but I've used every checklist that I've got, all of the templates that you've given me. I've hired two girls based on the welcome template. It's been great. They've come prepared. Um, One of the things that I think is really different, because I've bought a number of training courses, is the standard of cleaning that you offer. Like, of course, the course is beautiful and the way that you present it is beautiful, but the standard of clean is really high. And our standard clean is also really high. So I feel like I can set the girls down in front of the videos. They're learning about their career with us. They're becoming a consultant. It's not just a job. They're learning these really high standards of cleaning. And I love the modules where you've included, this is how you enter a room. This is what you would say to a client. These are things you would never say to a client. This is how you want to build your relationship. It's all included in there. I'm really so grateful. I'm still going, but it's just training in a box, and I love it. Thanks so much.